Hello! The video about testing of SKESS-L device for emergency opening and starting the engine of Toyota Camry 2017. This is a tested car, Toyota Camry 2017. This is the long-range smart key emergency start system SKESS-L for Toyota Lexus Subaru from 2008 till 2018. This is the car key. The distance between the big unit and the car key is about 11 meters. This is a big unit of SKESS-L device with outer antenna. Flash LED and LCD indication show that there is the exchange of information with the car key. The distance to the car is approximately 300 meters. Let's go to the car. Check that the car is locked. Turn on the small unit of SKESS-L device. A green LED flashes on the display. Touch the driver's door handle and open it. Enter the car and push the start-stop button together with the brakes pedal. Engine starts at once. turn off the small unit. The engine continues to run. Close the driver's door. Again press the start-stop button and shut down the engine. The message on the dashboard about an absence of a key in the salon. Again turn on the small unit. Start the engine. Then turn off the small unit. And begin the car movement. Approach the big unit and the key and exit the car. It's seen that the relative position of the big unit and the key has not changed. Enter the car. Stop the engine. The small unit is turned off at the same time. Leave the car and touch the handle of the driver's door. The central lock does not work because there is no key nearby. The test is ended. Thanks for watching.